It's actually crazy to even say because it's finally feeling real now that I turned on the camera. It has like a lot of different options. I have now started putting everything into my suitcase. I just packed some extra things. I'm going to Mexico in 2 days. For me, prepping, planning, doing all this stuff before the vacation is almost, okay, I'm not gonna say almost as exciting, but it truly is such an exciting part of traveling for me. So I'm gonna be taking you guys through basically everything I'm gonna be doing, appointments beforehand, how I pack, packing tips, what I'm gonna be bringing on a tropical vacation with me. I'm going to Cancun for a really exciting wedding to hopefully inspire you for your vacation. If you're watching this and you're going on a vacation in a couple of days or in a couple of weeks or want to save this video, we've been waiting to go to this wedding in Mexico for almost 2 years now, and the people that I'm going for are very close to me, so I'm just so excited. Today is Wednesday. I'm leaving Saturday morning at 6 a.m. So I'm basically needing to have everything ready by Friday evening, but I'm gonna try having everything ready by like Friday afternoon because I'm going also with my boyfriend and his family, so I want to go over there early and just, you know what, be excited. But today is my appointment day, so we're gonna be getting lasered. I have an appointment at 1:15. It is 12:46, so I actually really need to get going. That is pretty much everything. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let's go to our first stop, Lux Brentwood, where I get my lasers, facials, everything like that, and do our laser together, which I'll kind of explain how my experience is with all of it. So let's go there first. But I finished up my laser. It was really fast actually. Like I did my legs and Brazilian. I feel like it went by so quickly. This is Lux Skin Lab. Once again, come here for literally everything, all my facials, and now my laser, which I've always wanted to do and have always waited. I feel like every year I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do it then. I never got around to it until this year, but if you guys live in the Vancouver area, they're literally the best. It is brand new at the Brentwood location, so everything is so just like aesthetically pleasing. But if you guys want to book with them, my code right here, Rosie20, or you can mention it when you do arrive and get any procedure done, laser, filler, skincare. You guys can check them out. But yeah, anyways, I'm putting on my socks right now and I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling vacation ready already. This is my second session of laser, and even after my first session, I have barely had to shave my legs or anything like that, and I have very dark, coarse hair, so that says a lot, and it has been the easiest thing, so I'm really happy. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the car and we'll head over to mine and yours. Here are some of the items that I'm trying on. First of all, look, this is so pretty. I'm in the change room here and I'm just trying on basically all of these items, and it's like a lot of like Realization Par with Jean, brands like that, so I'm super excited. I'm super grateful I got to pick through some of these items, but I think I have my favorite items. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna show you guys when I finish up and give you guys a haul of everything that I end up getting. It is literally the most beautiful sunny day outside. It is hardly ever sunny here. I've talked about it in so many videos. So whenever we see the sun, it is like a magical day. It is so beautiful. So I'm just feeling so good today. Today, I actually wanted to quickly pop in and share the sponsor of today's video. You guys have heard me talk about these in so many videos and they're just my absolute favorites. So every time I get the opportunity to, I get so excited to share this product with you guys. It has helped me with my travels over the last few months so much. So I thought this would be the perfect video to include this. So I just want to quickly thank Built for sponsoring this video. I have this little box here basically filled with protein bars. I've eaten so many of them, so it's honestly not even too full anymore. Built bars are literally my favorite protein bars ever. They kind of taste like dessert, which is crazy because they're high in protein, gluten-free, and they also have a low calorie profile. So the fact that they taste this good is insane. I love having them either before the gym, after the gym, or when I go to the airport. I always make sure to bring at least a few with me. I always save my favorite flavor at the moment, and my current favorite is double chocolate. I'm so obsessed with it. I love anything chocolate. Since this is a packing video, I definitely want to let you guys know that I'm packing these in my carry-on. But I also did want to mention, if you guys are interested in trying Built bars, you guys can use my code at checkout. You just enter it and I'll have the links, everything down below. And trust me, you will not be disappointed. They're so delicious and you will probably end up with a box like me, carrying one of these things around. But yeah, I just want to say thank you once again to Built for working with me. So yeah, let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so I just got back from mine and yours. I showed you guys what the inside looks like. It's literally so cute. I fell in love with like 20 items in there. There was so many cute things, but I just got 2 items for my trip and I'm really excited because I'm obsessed with this bag that I got. It looks like this. It is Christian Dior and it's navy blue and beige. I feel like this is perfect for tropical vacay, putting like my essential items in here and everything like that. So I'm literally obsessed with it. I can't even believe I have it for my trip. I also got this stunning purple dress. It is from Realization Par and it looks like this. It's so beautiful. It's like purple. I'm picturing like a sunset photo with it. It's really long. Oh, I also want to say I didn't buy these items. I feel like that'd just be really casual for me to bring up. I didn't buy them. I'm only borrowing them for this trip to create content for mine and yours. That's how it works. That's why it's so fun because I can kind of pick pieces out of my comfort zone. So it's really fun just like bringing these items. So I'm so excited for this. I don't know if I'm gonna do much else for Mexico and packing and everything, but tomorrow is like my big packing day, so that's where I'm really gonna dive deep and show you guys everything that I'm bringing, putting these away, driving home, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hello, it is the following day today and I've been basically swamped with work, just catching up on stuff before I leave. Now it's pretty much the evening and I need to get my nails done. This is what my nails are currently looking like. We have neon yellow Hailey Bieber inspired nails that need to go. They're so long and just like cracked. I don't really know what we're gonna end up doing, but you'll see my nails after. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in because I'm running late for my appointment, but I just wanted to check in and yeah, I'm just like so excited. I randomly woke up at 6:30 a.m. today, which I tend to do that a lot before I travel. I just get once again very excited. If I open my eyes up when I'm sleeping, like I'm not going back to sleep. That was not a good idea. Let's go to our nail appointment and I'll show you guys what I end up getting. I'm getting ready for bed right now. I didn't actually wash my hair. I just got it wet and I put a hair mask in. I exfoliated, shaved, and did a quick self tan. I'm really hoping that this looks good, but every time I've used a self tanner, it's from the brand New to Canada. It blends so effortlessly, like it's never streaky and it looks very natural. So that's why I used it today. So I'm thinking it's gonna be okay. I haven't seen the sun in a while, so I thought it would just make me feel a little bit better. And now I'm doing my face. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I have 2 that I really love for face. This is the Nuda face tan water, which is kind of just something that you spray all over your face. Super easy. And then I have the Loving Tan Deluxe Face Tan, which I also love. I might do a little bit of a mix because I'm not going to be really wearing that much makeup when I'm there. I'm gonna grab our ears and then our neck as well. I'm thinking that is more than enough. I'm gonna be using the Loving Tan Deluxe Face Tan and this one, bronzy color, and I'm just gonna be applying that onto my face, kind of with moisturizer, kind of glow to the skin, just when I'm not wearing any makeup. I only really do this just so I have like a healthier glow to my skin, and I'm done that. I definitely feel pampered right now, even though I have been quite stressed out today, just running around, figuring out like how I'm gonna get everything done before I leave. I definitely want to have a good sleep tonight, but I'm so excited. We're gonna start packing tomorrow morning. That is gonna be the thing that I'm most excited for once again. So let's go to sleep and then we'll start packing. Today's the day that we are packing and I'm leaving for Mexico. I had a lot of work to finish up this morning, so I quickly just got it all out of the way, and it is now around noon. So I think it's pretty good timing to start packing, and I feel like there's so many things that I don't know if I want to bring. My luggage is basically always overweight and it is a huge problem that I have. So I need to figure that out today because my luggage is not going to be overweight when I go on this trip. But yeah, we're tanned, we're feeling good, and we're just gonna go through everything and hopefully pack up everything that I need in a couple of hours. So let's get right into it. I am basically currently trying on every outfit, most of like the dresses, things like that, but I also love just putting outfits together, and it is a must trying them on because an outfit looks so different when it's laid out compared to when it's on you. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly try everything on. I'll show you guys the dress that I'm actually gonna be wearing for the wedding. Okay, so don't mind the mess in the background, but see, this is basically the dress. It has a slit on the side. I wish I can show you it better. I'm like pulling so much stuff out, wearing this on the wedding day, and it's actually from Fashion Nova. I'm obsessed with it, and it was really affordable as well, so I'm really happy with it. I'm currently packing my bikinis, so I thought I'd give you guys a bit of an overview of all of the ones that I'm bringing. So I definitely like to bring both like colorful ones and then a couple of neutrals, because just so I have like a lot of different options. I can't believe that I'm going to be in a bikini in like 24 hours. When I'm packing bikinis, I actually like to reuse old shopping bags. It makes it really easy to find them in your luggage, and then just put my bikinis in a drawer. I have a few more bikinis, but I don't know what I should bring and what ones I should save. And I'm just taking the air out and it like becomes super small. Okay, so just a quick update. I have changed so many times, but I'll show you kind of what I have so far. I've started doing my clothes, which we have here. So right here, I just have plain tops, which you always need. Gray tank top, Zara green tank top, and then 2 white tanks, and then like I think this is more than enough. And then here I have like more nicer tops. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this for sure, but it's pretty cute. It's like a tie halter top, this yellow t-shirt, green cardigan, blue, this is like a long sleeve flowy top, and then lastly this black tank top from Aritzia. And then here we have cover-ups. I'm gonna see how this looks in my suitcase, if it's not too many, but I think this is fine. I have another set here, which this is a really good cover-up that I could wear, or I could wear this for breakfast. Okay, so on this side I have all of my dresses, so and then I have like a couple of going out dresses. You guys can kind of just picture what they look like, but this is like a tank top dress. This one is a halter green dress, tube top dress, and then I have like a couple more, and then that knit dress is really beautiful. So shoes for the wedding, bag for the wedding, white party outfit, shoes for the white party outfit, bag for the white party outfit, and then I have this last pair of shoes here. I have probably like another 3 hours, so as you can see, I'm not doing too bad. I feel like I've kind of got it all together. I have now started putting everything into my suitcase. Make sure I have enough space for everything, but as far as dresses, I definitely am bringing one too many, but I'm just gonna see how it all ends up fitting in my suitcase, and if it's not too bad, then we will just leave it. The thing I'm bringing the most of is dresses, and they're already all packed, so I have somehow packed everything into my suitcase, and I'm so happy that it's just like out of the way. But yeah, basically there's only a couple of things left to do now that my suitcase is packed before I can head out of the house. This is what my suitcase looks like. I basically show you guys all the clothes I packed, but I just packed some extra things like my hair curler, my hair straightener, hairbrush, and all my toiletries are actually in a canvas bag, which is a really good idea because I can use the canvas bag when I'm there. But I'm gonna put my airport outfit on because I'm not gonna be wearing this. It's just super comfy. It's from the company Lorna Jane. And then underneath I'm gonna wear this green tank from Zara, these biker shorts from Aritzia. They're just like a nude color, so I can wear this after I get off the plane, and then just some socks and things like that to go along with it, and I'm gonna wear my slides with it. Anyways, I am now down to the very last thing that I have to do to be able to finally leave my house and then head out to the airport. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what I'm gonna be packing into my carry-on bag. I have everything out in front of me, so I'm just gonna be packing it with you, and you can see what I end up adding in my purse. But I'm bringing the Dior bag that I got from mine and yours as my carry-on purse bag. So first things first, my iPad. I will be downloading movies very soon on it. I think my flight is like 7 hours long. Like, it's actually a pretty long flight. It is a red eye. Next up, my passport. I always feel like I end up needing a pen when I'm boarding, so a little black pen. I'm gonna be bringing chapstick. This is my favorite. I get it like at the front at Sephora, and it is the Smith Strawberry Lip Balm. It is my favorite lip balm. It is so good. It looks like this if you are interested. I have a little pouch here, and in this pouch I'm gonna be keeping my SD card port, my laptop charger is in here, and also I'm gonna be needing my AirPods. And I always bring this little bag. It literally fits everything perfectly. I'm gonna be putting my wallet in, and I think that's honestly it. I've already checked in to my flight, so I have my boarding passes. But yeah, I think that's really it. I'm just gonna see how heavy this is. It's not bad. It is actually really light. I feel like with every vacation, I never feel like it's real until I'm actually there. And yeah, that is basically how I pack, how I travel. I've had, I feel like, the same routine this year since I've been traveling a little bit more consistently with like what I bring. I feel like I definitely do overpack a little bit, but if you saw what I used to pack, like, this is nothing. Going to the airport is one of my favorite things to do. Like, it brings me so much joy and happiness. And I remember even when I was coming home from LA, I had like a I don't even know how long it was, like a 5-hour delay. I was in my prime. I did not care that I was still there for 5 hours. It's so peaceful to me. I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's just crazy. Like, you're all in one place, but everyone's going to different countries and have different travel plans and everything. I just think it is so much fun, and so excited. You will see more travel content for me because I'm going to Europe in a month, and that's just going to be a whole other travel pack with me type of video because I'm going to be in Europe for 6 weeks. So that video is going to be definitely super different than this one. That is all. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys back with my next video.